Ever since I was a kid, I've loved science just because it gave me so many answers about the universe. That's why I study physics now, because it just seems so magical to me. For Barnard Summer Research Institute, I'm studying electroluminescence, which is basically just light emission that you get when you run a current through 2 gold electrodes. We work with very small gold objects, and we study the mechanisms that occur at the nanoscale.
Iris's work will really contribute to the miniaturization of technology, specifically in applications like aerospace, where you're going in space and you want the smallest devices possible.
I really enjoy working with my mentor, Angela. She tries to include me and listens to my ideas. I learn a lot from her, shadowing her. She definitely helps me become more independent in the lab and takes a lot of time helping me and supporting me in my research. Most of the sciences, especially physics and engineering, are predominantly male, and it can sometimes feel disheartening. So the ability to do research with other women here has been really invaluable to me because I just feel very supported, and I feel like my ideas and thoughts are very much validated, and I just don't think I'd get that in a more predominantly male environment.
The only way to get more women excited about STEM and realize that it's fun to be a scientist is to give them experience in the lab. And so ever since I started as a professor, I've been bringing in undergrads from Barnard into the lab. I think they've had a good experience, and I really appreciate their participation in my group. It's been really great for me to mentor, and for my graduate students to work with Barnard undergrads and mentor them and teach them, and then see how they grow, and then they do their own work and they write their own thesis, and all of that is very exciting.
You kind of observe your own growth as the summer progresses. It's a great feeling, and you take a lot of pride in seeing yourself develop those skills and knowledge.
Beyond the actual science, Iris is learning really valuable skills just in research. Effective communication, specifically effective science communication, working with other people, problem solving and troubleshooting when things go wrong in lab. Those are the kinds of skills that she can take with her anywhere.
SRI has made this dream of doing research that I had as a little kid just become a reality. I didn't think that I could be involved in research, as an undergraduate, let alone just have both the financial and also kind of moral support of the institution. So I'm really just so thankful when I'm working towards my goals. And in fact, I hope to eventually apply to PhD programs, get my doctorate, and become a research scientist myself.